What's going on? This is Josh with Biggs Harley Davidson and North County Indian right here in San Marcos, California. Today I'm showing you the bike of the day, which is a 2014 FLHX, which is a street glide. You have LED lights, custom grips, custom bars, docking hardware, nice seat. I think it's Lapera, I'm not sure. This model has 20,522 with the 103 cubic inch 6-speed transmission, aftermarket exhaust. If you ask me, this is what most people want to do to their bike. So if you're looking for a bike that's already set up the way you want, we got you. The camera does not do that sound justice. This thing sounds like a tiger roaring loudly in the night. 7 days a week test rides. We'll see you here.